Agriculture Information AGRINFO 211. Definition of computer. By definition, a computer is an electronic device that inputs data, process data, output and storage information. Generally, computer is a device that accepted input, process it, storage data and produced output. Computer is controlled by programmed and instruction that transformation the data into meaningful meaningful information. Information processing cycle. Step following to process data: input, processing, output and storage. Input to provide or give something to the computer by a person, the environmental or other computer. Example of output: word and symbols, number, pictures, audio. Single for form a microphone, signals from another computer, temperature, speed, pressure, etc. form sensor. Input बराबर data. Processing calculate, manipulation, alteration of data. Data are symbols that represent raw facts, objective and ideas about people, place, events and things that are of importance in the organization. A computer program of software is a series of instruction that tell a computer how to carry out a processing. Like processing takes. Example of processing: arithmetic calculation, sortings, a list, modifying pictures, drawing graph. Output the result produced by a computer after processing of data. Output device: display, printer or transmit the result after processing. Example of output: imaging on the monitor, printer, document. Sound signal of device controller. Output बराबर information. Memory and storage. Memory, the area of the computer that temporarily hold data is being processed or waiting to be processed. Storage or output. Storage, the area where data can be left on the permanent basis while it is not needed for processing. Example of storage: magnetic disk, CD-ROM, magnetic tapes, flash disk, memory card, floppy disk. Use of computer: personal, home, business, education. और भी है medical, research, banking, government office, etc. Personal computer and home use of computer. Computer allow people with disability to do normal activity. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने में काम आता है, वीडियो गेम खेलने में काम आता है, गेम वगैरह में, वर्क फ्रॉम कोई घर पर कोई कार्य करने में, एंटरटेन करने में, मूवी वगैरह देखने में काम आता है, वीडियोस देखने में काम आता है, इंडिजिबल कम्युनिकेशन थॉट ऑफ यूज, कोई मेल वगैरह व्हाट्सअप चैट वगैरह करने में काम आता है। पर्सनल एंड होम यूज कंप्यूटर। बिजनेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, computer is allowed business to keep large amount of information of hand database। बिजनेस की आउटपुट इनपुट को स्टोरेज करता है। मेकिंग ऑर्डर एंड ट्रैकिंग रिसोर्सेज क्विक एंड इजीली, कितने ऑर्डर पेंडिंग है, कितने क्लियर हो गए, इसका इंफॉर्मेशन रखता है। अलाउ पीपल हैव ए मीटिंग फॉर डिफरेंट लोकेशन, help in information management which easily the process of decision making। Computer allow people associate of word to communication easily। Education use of computer, the internet allow access to hundred of online research material। एजुकेशन में ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट की सहायता से हम कोई रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। अलाउ कॉलेजेस टू correspond quickly about ongoing research easily। The process of analysis research data part of computer system। Computer system have a four part: hardware, software, data and user। Parts of computer system: computer hardware, the computer's hardware consist of electronic device, the parts of can see and touch। On other word, these are tangible parts of computers। The term device refer to any piece of hardware used by the computer, such as a keyboard, monitor, modem, mouse, etc. These are mechanical devices of make up the computer। Computer hardware components: display device, monitor, LED screen। System unit: philosophy floppy disk drive, CD-ROM drive, hard disk drive, keyboard, mouse। Other hardware component: DVD ड्राइव, डीवीडी का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल वेरी सैटेलाइट डिस्क। सीडी का होता है कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क। साउंड कार्ड एंड स्पीकर, मेन मॉड्यूल एंड डोमोडिकेट प्रिंटर। फेरिफेरलस, the peripherals device is the designated equipment that might to add to a computer system is enhance its facility। Example: printer, digital camera, scanner, joystick। Parts of computer system: computer software, it is the set of instructions that make to computer perform tasks। The software is the parts of the computer you cannot touch, but it is very important। The software is all the programming that make the computer run, controlling everything that the computer does। Swata point. Fourth point: for an for any computers to function, it need to have software installed on this data consisting the raw factor which is the computer can manipulate and processing into the information that is useful to people. Computerized data is digital, meaning that it has been re- reducing to digital of number can be computer storage and reads all data as number. User peoples operating the computer tell the computer want to do. Is talent computer hardware. The computer hardware device fell into one of four categories: the processor, monitor, input output, storage. इजी इंटेल कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस क्या होता है? प्रोसेसिंग द प्रोड्यूसर आर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रो डाटा इनटू द यूजफुल information is called processing. The processor is like the brain of the computer, organizing the carrying out instruction for the editing, the use of software, manipulate of data. Most computer have services, several process, central processing units. CPU की full form है refer to the computer's process. Intel computer hardware monitor memory device. Memory is made up of one or more sheets of chip that storage data of program instruction either temporary or permanently. Memory is divided into the two type. मेमोरी दो टाइप की होती है, रैम एंड रोम. रैम होती है रैंडम एक्सेल मेमोरी. मेमोरी इज टू टाइप. फर्स्ट है रैंडम एक्सेल मेमोरी. रैम होल्ड डाटा एंड प्रोग्राम इंस्ट्रक्शन टेम्परेरी व्हील ऑफ द सीपीयू वर्क ऑफ द डैम. ये कोई भी डाटा वगैरह को टेम्परेली स्टोर करती है सीपीयू के अंदर. रैम इज द वैल्यूलिटी मीनिंग ऑफ द होल्ड डाटा ओनली when power of RAM's content are lost. The random is the RAM implying that is the protection of data can be easily of analysis. This help make RAM very fast. More RAM result is in a faster system. सेकेंड है रीड ओनली मेमोरी. ये परमानेंटली डाटा को स्टोरेज करती है. ये रीड ओनली मेमोरी को रोम कहती है. ये नॉन वॉलेंट मेमोरी बिकॉज इज नेवर लॉस्ट कंटेंट. ये अपने डाटा को नहीं खोती. होल्ड स्टूलेशन दैट इज द कंप्यूटर नीडेड ऑपरेटेड. ये सबसे छोटी इकाई होती है, यूनिट होती है. इसको के बी कहते हैं. इससे बड़ी एम बी, जी बी, फिर टी बी. की बी की फुल फॉर्म किलो बाइट, जिसमें 1000 बाइट्स होते हैं. एम बी में होते हैं इकाई दी. किलो बाइट, मेगाबाइट, टेराबाइट, जीबी बाइट, टेराबाइट. सबसे बड़ी टेराबाइट होती है. पोजीशन ऑफ रैम एंड रोम ऑन दिस मदरबोर्ड. मदरबोर्ड में रैम और रोम लगी होती है. उसकी पोजीशन है, ये रोम लगी हुई है, ये रैम लगी हुई है. Installed computer hardware input or output device. Input device accepted the data and instruction from the user from another computer system. Output device return process data on the user or to another computer system. Input device include keyboard. Input device कौन कौन से? कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, डिजिटल camera, microphones are output device consist monitor, printer, Setros speaker, headphones, communication device such as modem and network infrastructure card, freeform both input or output, allowing computers to share information. Storage device. The process of storage is the hold data permanently even when the computer is turned off. Storage device hold data not currently being used by the CPU. Data is commonly stored on the magnetic or optical disk. The device, the disk dark is a very the sorry a disk device is a device that read data from a writer data to a disk. Most new computers feature is floppy disk drive, a hard disk drive, and a optical disk drive. The most common optical storage devices are CD-ROM and DVD-ROM device. Software the is the set of instruction that drive a computer to perform species take. These instructions develop mechanical physical component what to do. A set of instructions is taken called a program. When the computer is using a particular program, it is said to be run and execute the program. The two most common type of program are system software and application software. System software system software is a program that control the computer hardware or that can be used in maintaining the computer in same way so that is run more efficiently. System software providing as platform of running application software. There are three basic type of सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर तीन प्रकार के होते हैं. द ओपनिंग सिस्टम, सेकंड होता है द नेटवर्क ओपनिंग सिस्टम, द यूटिलाई थर्ड होता है. फर्स्ट को देखेंगे द opening the tell computer how use the open computer. All computers require an operating system. The OS tells the computer how to interact with the user and it own device. Example operator system includes Windows, Macintosh operator system and Linux. The network operating system communication is shared data across a data will control network operating is overseeing the network security. Example is a Windows Server 2003. A utility the program that make up computer system easily to use and perform high specialized function. Utilize are used to manage disk and troubleshoot hardware program and perform other tasks that he operated system itself may not be able to do. For example, is systematic antivirus protection magic etc. Application software. It is application software tell the computer how to accomplish species takes just as word processing or drawing for the user. Some of the major categories of these applications include word processing software for creating text-based document, separate sheet for creating number-based documents such as a grid, percentage presentation program for creation and present electronic side showing graphy program for decision inclusion or manipulation, photograph moving etc. Database management software building and manipulate large set of data such as a name, address etc. Data and information. Data and information. Data, raw material, facts, meaning, information are the words, numbers, symbols, and graphics that describe people, events, things, and ideas. Data become information when it is used as a basis, basic for understanding some action or for making a decision. Information are the word, number, and graphics used as the basic of human action and decision in words. In the words processed data is called as information. A set of data that has been given a name is called file. A file is used can be open used is called document. Each folder is place where group of computer file and other folder can be kept of organization. File. File is a name collection of data storage and storage medium such as a hard disk. File is a name collection is data storage on the storage medium such as hard disk. There are two types. First, a data file and executable file. For like first, a data file containing text, image, or other data that can be used by the program. Executable file containing program or instruction that tell the computer how to perform a task. फिर है philenemal philoneme excision describe a file's content. For example, executable file usually end in exe, text, text files and in text, word file in the document, pdf document and in the pdf etc. Assignment. Decision of the history and environment of computer of the component of computer, variation type of computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.